If iPhone X just does not work with touch, this situation does not require the entire screen to be replaced, just need to replace the touch glass function piece first. Remove the bottom screw. Then use a sharp blade to cut the waterproof adhesive. Turn over the screen, then remove the internal screws. During the disassembly, be careful not to touch the face lattice. Begin separating the screen frame. Clean up the residual glue on the screen. Disassemble the touch IC. Then cut open the flex cable. Start separating the touch screen. Easily complete the separation. This is the touch layer on the screen. Begin cleaning the OCA glue on the screen. Perform a screen display test. Light up and then clean the remaining OCA glue. The next step is to position the screen. Take out a new touch film with touch function flex. What we use the glass panel is high pure and no network line. The next step is to put it into the machine for lamination and debubbling. After the bubble removal is completed, the touch function is tested to ensure normal operation. It works perfectly, then install and test.